We are studying Acts 2 verse 42 using netbible.org as our base software. So I've opened my primary text on the left-hand panel to Acts 2 verse 42. Here it is. On the right-hand side, we will get various study tools. One of the things we may want to do when studying a passage is to consult multiple translations. Why would we want to do this? Well, if you can't read the underlying Greek and Hebrew text, then one of the ways that you can gain understanding of where there are interpretive difficulties is by consulting a number of excellent translations. The idea is that where experts have rendered it differently, and I mean in significant ways, there is almost always an interpretive issue. NetBible gives us an excellent way to do this. I simply point my mouse anywhere within Acts 2 verse 42 and left click. It opens up a number of options. One of them is this parallel option. If I click on parallel, in the right-hand panel, it will open a variety of translations of Acts 2 verse 42. First, it gives me the NetBible, then the NIV, the NASB. Now, one of the things you'll notice if I read this in multiple translations is a significant distinction. The NetBible says they were devoting themselves to the apostles' teaching, but the NIV says they devoted themselves to the apostles' teaching. Do you see the difference? One has a continuous tense and one has a simple past tense. If I were to check remaining translations, I would find them fairly divided on which of those it is. Thus, I've identified an interpretive difficulty in Acts 2 verse 42, and I'd want to explore that in my study. Why do these translations render it differently? And if I scroll down, you will see a variety of other translations ending with the net Greek text, which would give me quick access to a few Greek functions. So this is a wonderful, simple, quick way to consult lots of good translations at the click of a button in order to identify some of the interpretive difficulties in the underlying text.